The beauty of it in 2023, what we just have done is we drill those high-grade shoot, gold high-grade shoot, and see if the model was working. And it's funny because, you know, sometimes it's exploration. So you build model and you try that. And so far this year, we have been really successful to really define those high-grade shoot at depth.
Hi, and welcome to the Assay TV. It's great to be joined here today by Marcel Robillard, President and CEO of Puma Exploration. Puma Exploration is a Canadian mineral exploration company focused on discovering gold ore bodies in an area that's emerging as a new gold camp near the famous Bathurst mining camp of New Brunswick. So, Marcel, it's great to have you here today. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much, Alice, to be asking me to a little bit to present Puma Exploration to investor. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Great. Well, perhaps you could get us kicked off by giving a quick overview of the company and your projects for our audience.
Yes, for sure. So Puma Exploration is a junior mining company exploring for gold deposit in New Brunswick, Canada. So it's Eastern Canada. So far, we have discovered very high-grade gold right at surface. So we have been working in Bathurst area, New Brunswick, for the last 20 years. And lately, we have made major gold discovery, and we're currently drilling those discovery found at surface.
Great, thank you. And a little bit about the management team and your advisory board that you have in place.
Yes. So most of the management team has a really nice track record of exploration experience, and also on the director side, we have people on all the aspect of what is really important now for a mining company, junior mining company, which is, you know, good knowledge of the First Nation, communication and consultation with Jacques Dion. We have mining engineers as well that they can work and help us to open up the mine. And mainly also we have business people from New Brunswick itself. So basically, mostly it's technical side and advisor to Puma. I've been myself for Puma for the last 20 years. So I'm a background of geologist as well. But since 2009, I'm the CEO of the company. So I left a bit my hammer and rock to marketing and promoting and get some money for the technical team to do more exploration on ground.
Great, thank you. It sounds like a very experienced team. And so looking again at your project, I understand you've had some great drill results this year. So maybe you could talk us through those.
Yes, exactly. But you have to be mentioned that it's an early stage exploration project. We have been working on site only since 2020. So this is the third year of real nice, huge exploration program. Last year, we did 10,000 meters of drilling following the discovery hole of 5 grams over 50 meters right from surface. So very exciting hole. Since then, 2022, we've done 10,000 meters, mainly to really systematic drilling those high-grade shoot, because, you know, when you start drilling, you now know what can be at depth. So 2022, 10,000 meters, really systematic to define those high-grade shoot. And the beauty of it in 2023, what we just have done is we drill those high-grade shoot, gold high-grade shoot, and see if the model was working. And it's funny because, you know, sometimes it's exploration. So you build model and you try that. And so far this year, we have been really successful to really define those high-grade shoot at depth. So coming from a model, we drill. And just as an example, in 2022, we drilled about 100 holes for 10,000 meters, and we get 10 holes with VG in it, visible gold. This year, we drilled 24 holes, so 3,500 meters, and on the 24 holes, 12 of those, so 50% hit visible gold at depth. So we're really, you know, excited about getting the mineralization at surface, drilling it now at depth, and we see really nice continuity from the surface now up to 250 meters. So we got really nice grade as something like 37 grams gold over 2.5 meters, 27 grams gold over, let's say, 3.5 meters, all starting from surface in the lower grade envelope of 1 gram. So we got some 150 meters of 1 grams gold right from surface. So the goal of that is try to define a gold deposit at surface that can be open pit mineable. And this is what we have done so far. And on the holes, we have 6 more holes to come. So I don't know when it's going to be published, but as we speak here on November 8th, is we still have another 6 holes to come, and some of those has more than visible gold than others.
Great, thank you. So we'll be keeping an eye out for more news on that.
Yes.
And I also understand you're looking to continue expanding the Links Gold Zone. Can you explain a little bit about that and how the project's advancing there?
Yes. So we have a huge land package. It's over like 40,000 hectares altogether, belonging 100% to Puma. So the way, what we really try to do is low-cost exploration because, you know, inflation, everything is really most costly than it used to be. So we try to keep it as possible, low-cost exploration. And to be able to do it is pretty easy. We have road access, paved road access. So it's all doing the exploration right at surface with trucks, no fly in, fly out, really a nice location, only 30 kilometers from the town where we have the team. So basically what we see there on the 40,000 hectare is we have multiple parallel zones, what we call gold trend. So in the past, we have been able to define few little spots that has been worked more this summer. So basically, what we're working is the Links gold trend. You know, on the previous sample, we know it could be extending for 10 kilometers, but this summer, we are concentrating the work on 4 kilometers. So the Links gold zone itself, where we drill, where we get the oxide rate, is about 750 meters long. So the goal this year is to extend that zone at surface. So the best way, because there's really little overburden, which is mean the gravel over the hard rock, so we can remove it with a backhoe and see directly the rock on the ground. So we have 2 boots on ground. We see the veins. We see the gold mineralization. So then we drill. So when we say expanding the zone, first was at depth with the drilling, successful. Now what we have still working, we finish up the drilling in August. So September, October, and November. So now the snow is come now. It's really winter here, you know, in New Brunswick. So the stripping and trenching will be over. But what we have been able to proving up with trenching with an excavator, defining more zone over 4 kilometers. So we got those visual mineralization. We see this is the same quartz vein, same mineralization, same alteration. What we don't have yet is the assays from the lab. So it took about 30 days to 60 days to get the assays back. So probably within 2 weeks from now, stripping will be over. So the best way to expand the zone at surface is stripping to get ready to drill the phase 2. This year, we did the phase 1, 3,500 meters. There's another 2,500 meters to come, but it will be drilled along strike to proving up this is not just one deposit, but maybe multiple deposits along strike, and even more parallel strike as well. So we have a lot of work to be done still, but so far so good. Every time we touch the ground, we come up with really nice gold grades. Yeah, yes.
Great. Sounds like a great position to be in.
Yes.
And I know, of course, you've mentioned a couple of things and, you know, some kind of more drilling results to come and stuff. Is there anything else that investors should be looking out for in terms of news flow over the next few months?
Yes, exactly. So basically, for the next few news will be the drill result. So far, you know, we got a pretty nice one. We hope that the following one will be as good. What we have done also, we did the recovery test, so metallurgical test, to see how it was easy to get the gold out from the rock. Because you can have the best grade as you want, but if you cannot take it out from the rock, it doesn't make anything. So what we've done last year, and we have the result, but the thing is, the people didn't believe it because they were too great. So what we have to do is to send some duplicate to another lab to confirm those very, very nice recovery, gold recovery. So far was gravity recovery, which we call like a green gold, no chemical, only using gravity separation, get as much gold from it. This is news flow to come that we're going to confirm that. As well, we have more than 500 samples taking at surface that they show the expansion at surface. And then, you know, we're going to try to process 3 tons of the gold vein to a mill, like doing a pilot plant of see what would be the recovery and how it's easy to recover gold. So we have plenty of news up to maybe February, March, and finger crossed the market will be really listening of what we can give as a result and potential of the lengths, but also all the entire Williams Brook zone.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Marcel. It sounds like a very exciting time for Puma, and I'm sure our audience will be keeping an eye out to hear more from you in the future.